it's a brilliant event. And what I really like is the interaction not only with the delegates but also with the organizers, how we can together organize a very nice event. Oh yeah, I think we had very nice presentations both on USP and DSP. We had some very nice characterization talks where people show us how you can characterize your biological molecules. So all in all, it has been an event where everything has been met, and the innovation part really comes from how do you build your facility 4.0? How do you use artificial intelligence to improve your bioprocess? And although I found it very interesting, it's something that probably will help us biomanufacturing our products in the coming 10 years. I would give it a 9.